If you're seeing Microsoft error code 657RX while opening apps like Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft Office, it's usually caused by a problem with your connected work or school account. Then good news is you can fix it just few steps. First, open Start menu on your computer and search for Settings. Then click to open it. Then select Account. Now scroll down and click on Access Work or School. Here you will see any work or school account connected to your PC. Click on the account that's linked. Then press the disconnect button. Then we'll remove the account from your system. Don't worry, you can add it back again. Once the account is removed, restart your computer for a clean refresh. After restarting, go to back your settings. Then click Accounts. Click Access Work or School. And this time click Connect. Follow the step to sign back into your Microsoft account. After reconnecting, open Outlook or any Microsoft official app. The error should now be gone. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.